Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 3 on Android. Many fans want to enjoy this classic real-time strategy game on the go, and it is indeed possible. We will cover two main approaches: using emulators or streaming the game from a powerful cloud PC. Both methods offer unique benefits, allowing you to experience Azeroth from almost anywhere with your mobile device. One popular way to play Warcraft 3 on Android is through emulation. Tools like Winlator or Exajar allow your phone to run Windows applications. You will need your own Warcraft 3 game files and a powerful Android device, ideally with at least 6 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon processor, for the best performance. This method essentially brings the PC experience directly to your handheld screen. Another excellent option is cloud gaming, which streams the game from a powerful remote computer to your Android device. Services such as Shadow PC or Boosteroid provide a full Windows desktop, letting you install and play Warcraft 3 as if it were on a high-end PC. This method requires a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 20 megabits per second or more, to ensure smooth, low-latency gameplay. To truly optimize your Warcraft 3 experience on Android, consider a few key tips. Using a Bluetooth controller can significantly improve your control over units and camera movement, offering a more comfortable experience than touch controls. Also, try lowering the in-game graphics resolution to around 720 pixels for smoother frame rates. Finally, always keep your Android system and any emulation or streaming applications updated for the best compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.